You guys, one of the best ways to get work from home jobs as fast as possible is to target startups. But the problem with this is startups are just new establishments and not everybody is aware of their existence. And in most cases, when you use job boards to look for jobs, maybe startup jobs, you might not really find startup jobs there most times. And in some cases, you will see expired jobs on these places. So, but how can you actually find jobs without using job boards? Well, that is what we're going to be talking about in this video, because I found a way you can actually find jobs, especially startup jobs, without using job boards. And the good thing is these startups are always offering products or services, and that is why we're going to go this route to be able to find these jobs. So to get started, you have to go to Google and look for this website, Product Hunt. This website is a place where you can find products and services that has been launched by startups. So what you're going to do here is once you click on this, once it opens, you can see top launching products today. These are products that are launching today as I make this video right now, so you can see everything. And most of these products are from companies, new companies that a lot of people are not really aware of. So to look for the one that will suit you, click here. You can see that they have different product categories like work and productivity. Like if you have writing skill, you can go for this, team collaboration, software and stuff like that. They have engineering and development and design and creatives for people that are into graphic design, US UI design and all this kind of stuff. So you can know the category you fall in. Our main focus will be on products and launches. So, but we're not going to focus on users. So going by products, what you're going to do is you're going to choose the category you're interested in and then click view all, and then you're going to see a lot of products here, and you're going to target products that have high reviews. Like this one has 144 reviews, this one has 266 reviews. So what you're going to do is you're going to take these companies, like this one that says Vercel, and then you're going to go to Google and search for Vercel. So once you go to Google and search for Vercel, and you're going to target the career page here. So from here you can see open job positions about this company that you may apply to. As you can see, this one is accountant executive Nordics and it's remote, and this is content engineer, is remote in the United States. This one is customer success manager digital, remote in the United States. So as you can see, there are lots of remote jobs in different locations under this company that you might want to check out. Now, it's important for me to mention here that because they are startups, you might not really expect most of these companies to have a website yet, because they are just new. Some of them might not really have websites, or some of them may have their websites under construction. So that is why you have to keep checking each of the companies that are under the categories that you're interested in. Then you're going to be seeing jobs opportunities there, and these jobs are not centered in a particular field. You can see jobs in different fields using this method, but you have to put in the work to keep checking each company one after the other. So once you're done with this, you can go to another company, but you have to target their career pages, because most times that is where they make the adverts instead of going to all these job boards to post these jobs. So that is something you have to be careful about. Now, before I continue with the next website, please take a time and like this video, subscribe to our channel if you have seen value so far. We really appreciate you all for your support. Now, another place you can find these jobs that is not a job board is Reddit. I've mentioned Reddit before. Reddit have communities where people post jobs from different places. This is another place where you can find jobs, and most times people that post these jobs may be working in those establishments. Maybe they heard about an opening they may want to share with the communities they have joined on these places. So you can actually reach out to them to be able to have a better knowledge of what is expected of you before you make this application. That is why it is important for you to be on these places. And another thing you can do is to use ChatGPT. Now, a lot of people don't really understand how they can use ChatGPT. Depending on the niche you are in, you can ask ChatGPT to give you examples of community under your niche or under your career path or under your field of work. Now, ChatGPT is going to give you communities where you can go and join. Most times, people on these communities, they share jobs that are open wherever they are or they know about, so that people can take advantage of it and apply. In some cases, it could be places that they are aware of. They can give you some tips that can help you succeed on the job, because you're going to build relationship with the people that post these jobs, so you can stand a better chance. That is another good reason why these places are good to look for jobs. Now, another place you can consider is Thread. I've mentioned Thread before. This is a place where you can find a remote work from home job. I usually see virtual assistant jobs on these places. So you can also go to Thread and look for jobs there from people that have posted. You can ask further questions about the job and you can make your negotiation. So, but you have to be careful, because this is more like a disclaimer right now. You have to be careful. You have to be on the lookout for when they start asking sensitive information that you know you shouldn't be giving out when it comes to jobs. So those are the things that you have to bear in mind while looking for jobs on these places. I hope this video was helpful. If you're looking for typing jobs or removal from home jobs that you might want to do, please do well to check out this video. Please don't fail to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.